What's the meaning of bareheaded? Bareheaded. Bareheaded.
Bareheaded. Bareheaded. The term bareheaded refers to the state of being without a hat or other head covering. This can have cultural, social, and historical significance in different contexts. For example, in some cultures, it may be considered disrespectful or inappropriate to be bareheaded in certain settings, such as during religious ceremonies. In other contexts, such as outdoor activities, being bareheaded may be seen as practical and comfortable. The use of hats and head coverings has evolved over time, with different styles and materials coming into fashion. Overall, the meaning of bareheaded is dependent on the cultural and social norms of the time and place in which it is used.